From a seated position, drag the heels together and up off the floor, wrapping the arms around the legs, pressing the legs apart and the arms in. Tuck the head. Inhale as you roll backward to your shoulders. The hips come up, the feet come up to the ceiling. Exhale as you rock forward. Hold the balance, keeping your toes off the floor. Inhale as you rock backward, lifting the hips, rocking onto the shoulders. Exhale as you rock forward. Pause so the feet don't touch the mat, and go again. Inhale as you rock back, keeping the arms pressing in, the legs pressing out. Exhale as you rock forward. Hold that balance, rocking on to the tailbone. Inhale as you rock backward, bringing the hips up, landing on your shoulders, and then exhale as you rock forward, keeping the toes off the floor.